Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this amazing channel. So this is the first week of the month, and as usual on the first Saturday we normally do our cereal meal prep. Let me call it that. I usually boil my cereals on the first week of the month, and that is what we are going to be exactly doing today. I will also include my fridge cleaning in this video and also a little bit of cleaning. So stay tuned to the end and make sure you like the video and leave a beautiful comment. The first step of cereal preparation for me is usually sorting them out, and I'm usually very careful because of the small stones. So I sorted my black beans, some green grams, the special dengu, and also some lentils, and also some beans. The beans were clean, so I didn't go through them because I had done it in the last time before putting them in their container. And afterwards, I'm going to soak them with some hot water. Before soaking any cereals, just make sure you clean them properly, because when you soak them before cleaning, they tend to just take in the dust that was in the cereals. So before everything, just ensure you clearly and thoroughly clean them. Allow me to take this chance to welcome all the new subscribers of the week. Karibu sana to this family. We normally do cleaning videos, homemaking videos, a little bit of cooking, and everything around us is also content, so you get to see a lot of content in this channel. I also want to thank my Premier Gang for always showing up every time I do premiere my videos. May God bless you and your channels. The other special thanks I want to make is to all the people who have pushed me to 500 subscribers. May God bless you. I'm very, very grateful for the 500 subscribers. Thank you for pushing my content, and I look forward to even getting more support from you people as we head to 1,000 subscribers.
Connection is disconnecting from the source within. There were parts of my core, senseless and frozen, wisdom hidden, locked up in my soul. to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm digging, got my feet on solid ground. No more levitation.
Here are all the cereals, and they are very, very sorted, as you can see. I just go ahead to clean them before I can also come and take out the
There was always a longing for more, a deeper connection. Was disconnected from the source within. There were parts of my core, senseless and frozen. Wisdom hidden, locked up in my soul. No more levitation. No more levitation. No more levitation. Levitate. No more levitation. Levitate. No more levitation. Levitate. No more levitation.
I'm going to cook all the cereals behind camera, so you're not going to see the whole process. I also went for charcoal because I realized I didn't have. So after lighting the jiko, I just cooked everything until late in the night. So I also washed my fridge because it was very, very empty, and I needed it to clean. I needed to clean it up before restocking everything. So I had switched off the power the previous night because I wanted the ice to defrost so that it will be very easy for me to clean up. So let's clean it together. So by the way, I only used water and some powder soap. I didn't have vinegar. I really love cleaning my fridge using vinegar, but since I didn't have it, I just decided to utilize what I have, and it turned out cleaned, by the way. So in case you don't have the cleaning items, don't get frustrated, or don't that should not prevent you from cleaning up. You can just use whatever you have.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while.
If you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you for sparing your time. And maybe you can comment below. What do you use to clean up your fridge? Is it a must you use the vinegar, or what do you exactly use? That's what I mean.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
This was later in the evening and everything was almost ready. The only thing that was left cooking is the black beans, and I had to wait for it until late night. At least I got a few containers of the cereals, but I'll have to boil up some others in the coming week because I said I've not gone to the market yet. These are the remainders of January that I first boiled up. So later I cleaned up the utensils, and every time I have to I boil cereals, this is how my sink is usually, and I prefer just cleaning all utensils all together. So starting from lunch hour, I didn't clean up anything, so I just decided to do everything at night. So I'm going to clean up and scrub these sufurias. Though I don't have sunlight, I think I need to go out for shopping because the house doesn't have most of the things, so I'm just going to use some soap and stillware to scrub them. But maybe in the coming week I'm just going to do them the rightful and give them a thorough scrub.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in
Later, I cleaned up some items I had gotten from the nearby grocery shops. I had bought some carrots and tomatoes as I wait to go to the market, and I'm going to clean them up and prepare them for fridge storage.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I
By the way, at this time my black beans were still cooking, but they were almost ready. So after finishing up this, I just drained the water and left them to cool overnight. So whatever you're going to see is the next day. I packed them into containers, and that was it with this cooking process, cleaning process, and everything about this video.
Here we are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too.
So this is the turnout of everything. At least I have some cereals to take me for the next 2 weeks as I wait to get others. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye guys, and let me see you in my next video. Nawapenda.
We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn.